To get yourself started, if you click on Forgotten Password using the email address that we contact you with, and from there you'll be able to log in. Hi everyone, so here is our new site. As you can see, it's a little bit more interactive than before. But just to help you get started, I'm going to give you a few tips. So if you click the link at the top that says My Profile, that will take you to the back dashboard. As you come onto the dashboard, as you can see, this is obviously a new feature that we have, and on here we've got notifications for traders. So here I'll put any bits of information that I've got to share with you. So here we've got like a bit about Heaton's Arts Trail, they're looking for local artists, Wigan Auction House looking for traders for their events, and often a click link to email or to go directly to their page so you can find out a little bit more about it. So that's going to be a really useful feature to see what's on, and so you'll never miss a market basically. You've got three options here: My Stall, Markets and My Photos. This one will take you through to your page and all the information on your page. I've created Nikki Makes Cakes as just a fake profile, just to give you a bit of a hint on things to do. So a bit of information there. That I want that to be written in third party, please, if possible. On your Twitter handles and all these profiles, if you can just use the profile name or the Twitter handle, so anything that comes after the Instagram.com, this bit here, put that in there. Your phone number is optional, email is essential, website if you have one, and then you've got location, and that looks quite nice when you've got a town and a county. This is a new feature which isn't live yet on the front end of the site, but if you accept wholesale orders, if you click that, it'll eventually appear on the front end. So if boutiques or shops are looking for what you do, they can get in contact with you. The gallery I'll speak to you about later, but that's pretty simple, and then you just come right down to the excerpt and put 1 to 2 sentences in here. Just keep it really simple and short, and that appears at the top of your page. The only other bits to let you know about are the stall types here. Go down and you can click as many as you want, uncheck them to get rid of them. You choose which one is your primary or preferred one to be shown on your little tile, and just to switch them you just click on where it says make primary. So I've got cakes and tray bakes as my primary there, and then you add a few keywords just for tags. Once you've added all those, everything is complete and you're happy with it, click update, and then that will save it and you will see that on the front end page. If you want to then go and view your page, click on view your store page and it will take you to the site and show you what it looks like. And this is the URL you can use as well. So this is how it will look. A couple of sentences from the excerpt here. This is the who we are bit. Links to any social type of stall and your website will go here, and phone number as well, and they can contact you here. I suggest that you just check that this works and comes through to you and you're happy that it's working well. So that is your trader page. The last bit here is your upcoming markets. Now I'm going to show you how this populates, and this just creates a list of all the markets that you're going to be attending, as many as you enter. To go back, if you just click the back button, that'll take you back to your page. Once you've completed your stall holder page, you shouldn't need to change it too much unless you want to add little bits into here. The bits that will be most important to you are your markets and maybe your photos. So I'm going to show you how the markets view works. So if you click on calendar view, it comes straight to a monthly calendar of all the markets that we have entered into our system. Whilst it loads, the ones like this are past and these are present. So here you can see that these are all the markets that are available this weekend, and I according to this, have checked into Lowry, Treacle, Whitstable and the West Didsbury Makers Market. It's really easy to add a market and really easy to see. So if I wanted to go to the Baltic Market, I can just click on at market, click and click save, and then automatically it will give me a green line. It'll reset it, it'll give me a green line to let me know that I am going to be at that market as well. So these are the ones I'm clearly at. It's really useful because if you've got a weekend free or you've got Friday free, you can see what's on and get in contact directly with the organisers yourself. So that is how that works. If you wanted to look at it in a different view, I'll show you that in a moment. I think this monthly view is the best way to look at it. You can look at it as a week or a day view, but it's far too long-winded. This is quite clear. The other way to do it is click on attending, and you can do a bulk action. So here are all the markets going down in numerical order in terms of date order, and there's lots of items added, so you just keep working through it if you find this easier. And I can click on I'm attending Chorlton Green, I'm going to attend Ashton Farmers Market, Curden Valley. If I want to attend all those three, I just have to go to here, mark as attending, and click apply. And that is another quite quick way to see what's on and to add them to your market list. I'm going to just show you, if you click on my stall again and view stall page, you can then see how it looks on the front end and how it's pulled it through. So here's all my newly added markets, and it just generates a list. Finally, the photos. There's two ways to add photos. You can change them regularly and move them around and delete them if you want, but you can click, when on your stall page here, you can click on add gallery images. This is the way I find it the most useful. You just click on upload, click select files, and then that takes you through to your computer. You just upload, keep them square, and it'll tell you if they're too big, and once you've added them to here, it'll just click add to gallery. Something I wanted to point out to you was that it helps for your SEO benefits if it has a title and it has maybe the name of your business as well and has our website name, so Pedddle. This is the sort of format I've tried to use before. So I've done Raspberry Fairy Cakes by Nikki Makes Cakes, Pedddle. Just copy that and pop it into here, the alt text, paste, and it's in. You don't have to click save, it automatically saves it, and as you can see I've done the same thing for all of my pictures that I've got here. So they're all in and they're both completed, alt text and title. And you just click add to gallery and then they will be submitted to your gallery. The alternative way to do this is you can click on my photos and then you get opportunity to add new. So you just click up here, add new. Again, same thing, select file and go through to your computer and pick which ones you want.